Hi everyone, Andrew Brett at Johnson RV here. Today I want to show you this 2006 Pleasureway Excel. Kind of shows you one of the things that we do here. We do premium pre-owned. Pleasureway is probably one of the oldest products that we'll carry just because they hold up so well. But this is, like I said, a 2006. It's on the Ford E-Series chassis. This particular one has the V10 in it. Come on inside, we'll take a look around. As we step in here, I got Alex behind the camera. He's going to show you the cockpit a little bit. Pretty familiar, just Ford cockpit. Pleasureway is a real high quality build. Takes about 400 man hours to put these together. And chances are the guy that put this together is still working there. It's a nice and small company. But coming through, you have a microwave, actually convection in this one. Your wardrobe. Nice wet bath with a vanity there. This is the twin sofa model, so in the back there the sofa will lay flat and you can sleep on it as two twins, or you can fill this whole back area into a bed. You have the TV, you have the real sweet integrated coffee pot. You don't find that anymore. And then over in the galley, two burner cooktop, little fridge, and some nice counter space. Again, this is a 2006 Pleasureway Excel. Love to answer any questions you have on it. Give us a call, 503-668-5400. Thanks for watching.